Hi, Kathy here from Kathy's Cute Creations. Today we're going to open the Maxiemakes box. Here it is right here. There we go. Okay, it has a card which tells us it's the December box, a place for everything and everything in its place. It is a needle book, so let me show you here the picture of it. Take this out of the box. Whoops! Excuse me there. Okay. It comes with, that thread fell out of it. It comes looking like this. And there's some Gutermann thread. It's a cream color. Looks like that there. Okay, so there is some lemon tea, organic. Some fray check, which I use this normally when I do serging. There's a little hummingbird needle threader. That's kind of cute. There's some heirloom embroidery scissors. They're called Petites and they're by Sullivan's, 4-inch length stainless steel. I haven't seen them before. There is some ribbon that has a little scissors on it. Whoopsie doops. There you go. And then there is embroidery thread, same color of green. And then this is Quilter's Dream batting. And it's in a little container here. It's stapled together. It says it's available in package sizes from craft to king size. It even has bolts 46 to 60-inch wide and on rows of 60 by 120-inch wide. Let's open it up a little bit and see what it looks like. Huh. So this is, I opened up the first one there. And then we'll open up this one. See if we can get that for you here. So it's like a sample pack. That's pretty nice. Huh. And this one here is called Dream Green. And let me put it a little closer because it's actually green. See that one there? They got a telephone number and they also have a website which is quiltersdreambatting.com. They're in Virginia Beach. Oh, that's pretty nice. Huh. All different. Let's set that aside. And then we have a piece of elastic. And then here is one of the fabrics, and it is scissors. And the other fabric looks to be leaves blowing in the breeze. And then here's our piece of batting that we're going to use. And then there is a fusible, one-sided fusible webbing. And then here's some other Dream Fusion batting. And I actually even wrote it down here at the bottom, but that's the fusible side, in case you can't figure it out. You can barely see the glistening of the glue on there. I don't know if you can see that on the camera. If I move it around, I'm not sure if you're seeing it or not. And that is everything. I'm going to lay it out here so you all can see it. So here's everything laid out so you have a chance to take a look at it. I really like that sample. That's really interesting. Sorry about that glare. You know, I never know when that darn glare is going to show up from those lights. Okay, I hope you liked this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do. And go ahead and give it a like, and I'll see you all next time. Bye-bye.